want to do?
Nerf gun fight.
Do you want to do Nerf gun fight? Yeah. Okay, I'll record it.
I need some ammo though. I need some ammo.
Okay, I'm gonna watch.
Look. Don't take time because I have pages. Okay, I'll take pages.
No.
Yeah, you're not even Nerf gun.
Fine. Fine. Come on. Go. You can go.
Well done. 1 minute ago. Give me a second.
Your head is so big.
I'm having a feeling that Nathan's gonna win. Yeah, I am gonna win because he's like so good at it.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, who's gonna shoot first?
Nathan. How about we just all shoot at the
But I can like go like.
Well, we're just all just an extra.
Okay, yeah. But my screen's really small.
Set. Go. I know that. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, I'm out of ammo.
Okay, time out. Time out. Wait.
It doesn't basically count as a timeout. Okay, I'm failed. Oh my god. I'm failed. Need one more?
Stop taking mine. Stop losing mine.
No, there was one extra on the ground when we first started.
Right. Okay.
But I put it.
So tomorrow we might do. I hope this goes viral, like to at least 15 views. Please have 15 views. Subscribe, please, because we really.
Comment, whatever.
It's the comments aren't there. Like just like or like and follow.
If you don't like them.
A spider will haunt in your bed. I'm kidding.
Nathan, I'll find where you live.
No, he won't.
Nathan, we're just kidding. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
But I will find.
Let's just do it so this can get viral.
Ready? Go! Okay, ready? Set, go. Oh!
Time out.
Woo! Just saying, he just killed my neck.
Okay, we're only going to do this video for a couple more minutes, and then we're going to leave. So I hope you enjoyed this part, and then we're going to do a part 2 tomorrow. So you'll have to come over to our house. So yeah. Okay, let's continue.
How about you just do the part 2 today?
It's too late. It's already 9 o'clock.
Ready? Set. Okay, I'm listening.
Oh, and base reveal for Nathan. That's what it's going to be called.
Ready, set.
Is it okay if we do your name, Nathan?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Nathan, do you want to say anything about yourself?
I am gonna destroy her.
Okay, guys, Kenzie, got anything to say about yourself?
I don't think I'm gonna win because Nathan's pretty good at this and he's pretty cool.
But that is true. Not the last part, but I don't know why you said that. I don't know.
He's cool because he does everything good. Isn't it? You just like.
Because he's not.
I never have Nerf gun fights, dude.
Seriously, you're so good.
Every once in a while. I'll make.
Is it on you? Is that on you?
What?
Is this green?
No. But I got a hoverboard for Christmas.
A hoverboard?
Yeah. Because mine broke. He got a hoverboard, guys. A hoverboard. He got us electric scooter. Wait.
Wait.
Ready?
No.
Go. if you think I'm gonna lose, I mean, if you think she's gonna win, then I'll leave a thumbs down. Subscribe if you think.
If you do a thumbs up, do a thumbs up if you think he's gonna win. Do a thumbs down if you think she's gonna win.
Hey! It's not a big deal.
Do a thumbs up do a thumbs down if she does.
Well, we all know I'm gonna win, so like. Yeah, but
Whatever.
thumbs down don't export your video. That makes it not go viral. That makes it.
Okay, I hope we don't get much dislikes, because that would be bad for us, and we just started. So, we're going to end this video in 2 minutes. 2 more rounds, and then we do it!
Oh man. Oh, you're lucky you missed.
This one more round after this, and then we're ending the video.
That was my earpiece.
Are you okay, Kenzie?
Stop the video. We have an injury.